Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can deposit USDC into your Celsius wallet from FTX. And to demonstrate this to you guys, I'm using FTX application on my desktop computer, and on the side of the screen I'll display my Celsius wallet so that you guys can see simultaneously what I'm actually doing with both of the wallets. So as you can see over here, I've already headed over to ftx.com and I'm going to click over here and open up my wallet. Now over here my highest balance is in USD, which is about $238, and out of this $238 I'm going to transfer out around $100 into my Celsius wallet. If you're sort of new to FTX actually can be a bit unique compared to many other exchanges when it comes to holding stable coins, because in FTX all of these different stable coins such as USDC, TUSD, USDP, Binance USD and HUSD, all of them are actually being held under this special USD basket. And if you happen to do a wire transfer of actual USD currency, that'll also actually end up in this USD basket. You can actually access your USDT balances separately, but that's not the case for the other stable coins such as USDC and BUSD. Since all of my USD stable coins have ended up in this special USD basket, I actually have the luxury of deciding whether I want to transfer out USDC or TUSD or BUSD and so on. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead with USDC. Now to withdraw USDC, you can either go over here and click withdraw, or you can click withdraw over here as well. And under both options, what you're going to get is basically this window. And over here, you can see that it's offering us these different options to withdraw different stable coins. And I'm going to go over here and click on USDC. And over here you can see that we have to enter three things. The first one obviously being the amount that you would like to withdraw, and the second entry would be the USDC address of the receiving wallet, and the third one would be basically the corresponding code from your Google Authenticator application. And also we have to select the network that we are going to use to make this withdrawal. We have two options. We can use the ERC20 network, or we can use the Solana SPL network. And obviously the Solana network is actually going to be much cheaper than using ERC20 token, but since we are dealing with Celsius wallet, it's very important to understand that currently you can receive USDC in your Celsius wallet only using the Ethereum blockchain. So you have to send it as an ERC20 token. If you happen to send it as a SPL token, your coins will actually never arrive at your Celsius wallet. And as far as I know, at the time of making this video, they don't really have any plans to add this Solana network to deposit USDC either. So you're probably going to have a hard time recovering your coins, and most likely you might not be able to recover your coins at all. So just make sure that you don't do this mistake of selecting a different network than Ethereum blockchain when depositing USDC into your Celsius wallet. And of course, it's going to cost you a little bit more than using the Solana network, but that's basically the cost that you have to bear when you're depositing funds to Celsius. So yeah, now I'm going to head over to my Celsius wallet. So over here you can see that my USD balance is basically just non-existent. What I have is just 60 cents over here. So if I want to receive USD coins, what I can do is I can click over here on this big C button, and I can click on receive. And by default what it's showing us is the ETH address, but we can click over here and search for USDC. Yeah, and click over here. And guys, as I told you just now, you can see that Celsius is also giving us the warning that we have to deposit USDC using the ERC20 network, using the Ethereum blockchain. That's actually quite a nice gesture that Celsius gives us that warning, so that it's unlikely somebody would actually make this mistake of using a different blockchain to deposit USDC. So I'm going to copy this, transfer this address right over here, just like this. And as soon as I do that, you can see that there is an estimated fee of 5 USDC. And guys, this is a very competitive fee, especially compared to the fee that they're charging if you're using an exchange like Binance. It's going to be about 25 USDC, and in many of the exchanges the fee is going to be just as high as that. But as you can see over here, if you're using FTX, the charge is actually going to be only 5 USDC. And obviously this value can fluctuate. If the network is congested, then there's a good chance that this fee is actually going to get increased a bit. But as long as you're using FTX, you're still going to get a very competitive fee compared to many other exchanges. So considering that they're charging me 5 USDC, if I want to transfer over 100 USDC, I have to actually transfer 105, so that they will deduct 5 USDC as the network fee, and 100 USDC should get deposited into my Celsius wallet. And I have to specify the Google Authenticator code as well. That's going to be 658808. And once you have confirmed that, you can simply click over here, withdraw, in order to initiate the withdrawal. And now you can see that my available balance has been reduced to 133. And at the same time, you'll also get an email from FTX notifying that there has been a withdrawal request. And following that, there will be a confirmation saying that your USDC withdrawal has been completed. So you'll have to just give it a few minutes for your coins to arrive at your Celsius wallet. You can head over to your Celsius wallet and maybe have a quick look. And as you can see guys, I have received my 100 USDC. So guys, that's how you deposit USDC into your Celsius wallet using the FTX exchange. So thanks a lot for watching guys. If you do have any questions, you can add a comment down below. And if you did like this tutorial, you can give it a thumbs up and you can consider subscribing to this channel as well. And before I conclude the tutorial, I would like to also mention to you guys that I have a referral code in case if you haven't created your Celsius account yet. You can use this referral code to get a $50 bonus in Bitcoin as soon as you transfer $400 worth of any crypto assets into your Celsius wallet to fund your Celsius account. Alright guys, so thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you again with another video soon.